Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Sagittarius, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading. That will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Two of Earth, King of Earth, and Nine of Water. So, in your circumstances, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. You are someone really devoted and dedicated, committed to whatever you do, guys. So maybe in your work, you have that devotion, dedication. So whatever difficulties or obstacles you may see, you are willing to do anything to complete your work and make things go in the right way. And you are a very helpful person, helpful guiding, and you are in an important position in your work situation or in your life. So people may come to you for guidance or ideas, support in some way, guys. And they trust you and they have faith in you. And you have your focus in the things that are important to you. So in your work or in your personal life, whatever is your priority, you have your mind set on that. Maybe if you have your goals and dreams as your priority, you are working towards that. And maybe if it is this relationship, if it is this person you love, you are focused in this relationship, trying to do things in the right way, and you are someone who is truly devoted, heart and mind and soul, in this love. So that is the depth of your commitment. And maybe even this person feels this way about you guys. So they feel the same way about you, their heart, mind and soul in this love. So you may have, maybe for some of you, it may be this person may be your karmic destiny. That may be the reason we see this level of commitment and that connectedness you both share. And you want to make this relationship work, guys. And you are trying to adapt, being really flexible with this person you love. So you don't want to hurt them in any way, or you don't want them to feel bad in any way. That may be the reason you want them to be happy, content. And you are achieving that happiness and contentment because you have realized that this person's happiness is the root of your happiness. So you want to be happy and you want to make this person happy. That may be the reason you are trying to be really flexible, willing to do anything for this love, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Five of Water. So with this card, maybe, maybe you may have some resentments or troubles in this love, but you are healing from it. You are trying to build that understanding. You are willing to forget. That is what we were speaking about, guys. You are willing to do anything for this love. So you want this person, and you may have that deep connection with them, guys. They may be your soulmate or a twin flame, or it may be your karmic destiny with this person. That may be the reason you have this level of attraction towards them, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's 10 of air. So in your work situation, guys, maybe you need to think differently today in your work. Your point of perception must be different, because there are some opportunities coming towards you. It may not be what you expected, it may be something different, but it will be much better, guys. So you must give up your old ways of thinking, and expectations must change if you want to embrace these new changes coming in your career situation, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what this card is for those who chose this card. It says time for a nap. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your life in general, in your career maybe. So this may not be the right time to make any plans. So even in your relationship, if you are single, if you are in not any relationship right now, you just need to take this time to understand yourself, to get that clarity what you truly feel. Or if you are with someone you love, this may be the time to relax, because in your circumstances today, it's really uneventful, nothing is happening. So from your side, from your point of view, you should not force anything. You must just allow things to flow naturally, guys. And beautiful renewal is taking place. You are getting that detox and rejuvenation much needed in this relationship. And patience is the key to achieve whatever you wish for yourself. So this is the time for you to take rest, so that your love and this relationship will become much more stronger and rejuvenated, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, this card, it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and it is sodalite. So with this card, it just means that you need to understand that you are part of that divine energy, you have that divine force with you, and that divine force is the reason for inspiration and guidance we feel in our hearts every day, each and every day of our life, guys. And that divine spirit wants always the best for us. So maybe in your circumstances, you may have some doubts regarding some decisions you need to make today, but you don't know what will be the right thing to do. You are in a lot of confusion, maybe, guys. Maybe in this relationship, you can have that trust that this divine spirit is going to guide you in the right way, and you should not forget your worth, your values, and your truth, whatever you have in your heart of hearts. And if you are not sure about your next move, what should be the next choice or decision you need to take today in your circumstances, guys, you can pray humbly in your heart of hearts to that divine spirit to guide you. So maybe whatever decisions you take up, you make, or whatever actions you do will not be a repeat of the past mistake. So that will be a guidance from that universal spirit helping you today, guys. And this crystal stands for that, guys. This crystal helps us to find that right answer within ourselves, and it guides us in our meditation. So if you need to make some important decisions, you just need to close your eyes, keep yourself calm and quiet, composed for a few seconds, and pray honestly and humbly in your heart of hearts, and you may get the answer for whatever questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.